This is the scenic elevator here at the Power Vista. What? Are you kidding me? Okay, ThyssenKrupp Anti-SCENIC, okay. Let's ride it anyway. That's a lower level. And oh, there's a loophole. Can't see anything. So we can see the shaft. It would be a pretty cool view. Although actually, this might be an MRL hydraulic. Let's check. Can't tell, but this might be an Endura MRL. If only it was glass, then I could actually see stuff. Anyways, I just want to show everyone the glass shaft. So, there goes that ThyssenKrupp. And, look. This could be really cool. Okay, so, we're out here on the deck. And, what is that? Oh. Here's the elevator. You can see that controller up there. Oh. There's the pump. OTIS hydraulic. And if you look up there, you can see the ThyssenKrupp TAC controller. Yeah, this is cool.